Flight test. Duster back up in the air. This time it's Dave. Last time it was Phil.
Dexter did that to my mom after a couple of toenails. He ran away and hit his grandma because she was sitting on the bed in there. And then my mom was petting him, and then she was like, now there's fur all over our bed. That's why we have a dog blanket.
Sorry about that. I was backing into you because I'm looking at the plane. I'm just hoping I'm still zoomed in at 2x for you. Ooh. Gotta go for like 6,
Okay.
not just 5. Better be going up though when you start. Ooh, yeah.
Which way you? I know we're on the runway. Yeah, I would not trust me.
The runway at our club, the people like to walk across it because it's a park. And it's got all these signs that say, don't go in the runway when people are in the air, and planes are around. But we have people that decide they want to go out and have a picnic in the middle of the main runway. I had to ask them to move the other night as I was taking off with the plane.
I'll come in pretty soon here.
You're clear. Full landing towards your truck, that is. There it is.
Oh, look at those big, look at those rocks.